In this video, we will learn common phrases that Americans use daily. Let's start.
Are you still on your phone?
Just checking something.
You've been on it for hours.
I didn't realize.
We were supposed to spend time together.
I'm sorry. I was just scrolling.
You barely said a word to me.
I didn't mean to ignore you.
It feels like I'm not even here.
That's not true.
Then put your phone down.
Okay, you're right.
This happens every day.
I guess I got used to it.
It's starting to bother me.
I understand. I'll try to change.
Can we just talk?
Of course. I'm listening now.
I miss how we used to talk more.
Me too.
Phones shouldn't come between us.
You're right. I'm sorry.
I just want your attention sometimes.
You have it now.
No more checking every 5 minutes.
Deal. Let's put our phones away.
Thank you. That means a lot.
You mean more than any screen.
I like hearing that.
I mean it.
I can't believe that driver just cut me off.
Maybe he didn't see you.
No way. He looked right at me.
Try to stay calm.
I'm so angry right now.
Getting angry won't help.
He almost hit my car.
But nothing happened. You're safe.
I should honk at him.
Please don't. Let it go.
Why can't people just drive properly?
Some drivers are careless.
It's so frustrating.
I understand. But stay focused.
I hate driving in traffic.
Everyone feels the same.
That guy didn't even signal.
Yes, I saw that too.
I feel like yelling.
Deep breaths. Relax.
I don't want to be in a bad mood all day.
Then don't let it ruin your day.
You're right. I'll try.
Good. Let's enjoy the music.
Okay. Turning it up now.
That's better.
I need to stay cool behind the wheel.
Yes, for your safety and mine.
Thanks for calming me down.
Anytime. That's what I'm here for.
Finally. A parking spot.
Hey. I was waiting for that.
No, I got here first.
I saw it before you.
But I parked already.
That's not fair.
It's just a parking spot.
I had my signal on.
I didn't see it.
You cut me off.
Calm down, please.
You took my spot.
It wasn't yours yet.
That's not how it works.
Sorry, I didn't mean to upset you.
You should say that sooner.
I really didn't see your signal.
Next time, be more careful.
You're right. I'll watch better.
I'll find another spot.
I hope you find one soon.
Thanks. I just hate this traffic.
It's crazy today.
Everyone's in a rush.
I was in a rush too.
We all are.
Let's not fight over parking.
Agreed. It's not worth it.
Have a good day.
You too.
Excuse me, are you in line?
Yeah, I'm just buying one thing.
I think I was here first.
It'll only take a second.
We're all waiting too.
I really need to go fast.
That's not fair to the rest of us.
Come on, I'm in a rush.
So am I.
I didn't mean to upset you.
Then please wait your turn.
You don't have to be rude.
I'm not being rude, just honest.
It's only one item.
That doesn't mean you can cut.
I didn't see you standing here.
I've been here for 5 minutes.
Okay, I'll go to the back.
Thank you.
People get so angry these days.
It's just about respect.
I guess you're right.
Everyone has things to do.
I didn't think it was a big deal.
It happens, but it's not okay.
Next time, I'll be more careful.
That's all I ask.
Sorry again.
No problem. Thanks for understanding.
Hope you have a good day.
Hi, I ordered a chicken sandwich.
Here you go.
This is a beef burger.
Oh, really? Let me check.
Yes, I don't eat beef.
I'm sorry. Maybe the kitchen made a mistake.
I was really looking forward to my food.
I understand. I'll call the restaurant.
Can they send the right order?
I think so. Please give me a minute.
I already waited 40 minutes.
I know, I'm really sorry.
I'm very hungry now.
I'll try to fix it quickly.
I hope it doesn't take too long.
I'll let them know it's urgent.
Thank you for helping.
No problem. I'll stay in touch.
Can I keep this food?
Yes, you can keep it.
At least that's something.
I'll get the new one sent soon.
I appreciate it.
Again, I'm really sorry about the mix-up.
Mistakes happen, but I was frustrated.
I understand. Thanks for being patient.
It's okay. I just hope it comes soon.
I'll call them again right now.
Thank you.
You're welcome. Have a better lunch soon.
Excuse me, why didn't you stop at Main Street?
I didn't see anyone at the stop.
I pressed the stop button.
I didn't hear it.
I pressed it twice.
Maybe it didn't work.
I really needed to get off there.
I'm sorry. I didn't mean to miss it.
Now I have to walk back.
I can let you off at the next stop.
That's still far from where I need to go.
I understand. I apologize.
This made me late for work.
I truly didn't hear the bell.
Can you check if the button is working?
I'll test it after this trip.
It's not the first time this has happened.
I'll report it to maintenance.
I hope it gets fixed soon.
Me too. Thanks for telling me.
I'm just really frustrated right now.
I get it. I would be too.
I depend on this stop every day.
I'll be extra careful next time.
That would help a lot.
I'm truly sorry again.
I'll try to catch the earlier bus tomorrow.
That might be a good idea.
Have a good day anyway.
You too. Take care.